Hey guys, in today's video we're going to show you how to create a commodity profile. You're going to start out, you're going to go to recycling and you'll hit commodity profiles, and this is going to load the commodity profile page. So a commodity profile is essentially used in the shredding module and utilized in the sort demand module. So this just allows you to set up a profile for a specific type of material, and let's just say it's computers or modems that you're going to be demanning and tearing down. So it's always good to have a guideline of what commodities need to be set up in that particular zone to sort into. So we're going to start out, we're going to hit create computer commodity, and over here you're going to set up a default weight. So let's just say I don't know, default computer weight is 15 pounds, and you'll set that up, and then over here we're going to click it and hit edit. So this is going to add in the components of the computer commodity. So we're going to hit add, and then we're going to set up plastic. It'll be the initial. So we'll select plastic, we'll input what typical weight is in a computer from a teardown standpoint. So we'll say 1 pound, and we'll hit add. And then we'll hit add again, and we're going to go through all the various commodities that will be utilized when you're tearing a computer down. So we'll select hard drives, we'll input a weight of 2 pounds here. So as you're going through, you can see it's summarizing and creating the calculation for the weight percentage and so on. So we're going to hit add again. We're going to go with processors. And then what we'll do here is we'll just move quickly, but we'll start putting in all the different components: copper, memory, ribbon wire, etc. So we're going to skip through this pretty quickly so we don't extend the video longer than it needs to be. So you can see here, as I'm putting in the weights, we have the different weight percentages, we have the indicated weights, and then I'm going to hit save, and you can see we've come up with 97.67% of the 15 pounds. So what this does is essentially gives us the list of common commodities that we're going to sort into, plus it's going to add in the estimated values, which are very useful. So just to give you an example, if we buy a bunch of computers at varying prices and we put $1,000 into the sort area, and then we sort in the plastic, hard drives, processors, copper, based on these estimated values, we're going to be able to do a weighted cost distribution and allocate it to what those particular computers were sorted into, so we can have a very accurate distributed cost. So that's how you create a commodity profile, and you're going to see in the next video for the sorting module, we're going to use this commodity profile to get things moving.